Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how we can update Instagram account to newest version, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yeah, without any further delay, let's start. So for that you simply have to go to your app store and you're going to go to the search bar and type in Instagram. Once you do that, you will find your Instagram app right over here, and as you can see, even my app needs an update. And when I tap on this update option, that is basically reinstalling in your device, re-downloading and reinstalling process. It will take a bit of a time, and once it's done you can tap on open, and when you open your particular app, in there you will find the newest version of your Instagram account. That's basically how it works. So make sure to check again and again on your app store whether your app needs an update or not, and then when you find the update, go ahead, tap on the update option. Once it's done, tap on the open once again, and you should find this kind of interface. You will find all of the updated information. If you have been suffering from some of the lagging over here, that will also cross out and you will have a smooth experience on Instagram. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will be seeing you guys in our next video.